Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to show how you can use one of these big Foxconn fans. It's a 120mm fan from these Dell Optiplex towers right here, or they're found in the Dell Precision workstations. They're usually in the front, like this. These are very powerful fans. They move a lot of air and have really good static pressure too. But Dell, being Dell, gave them this funky plug. If I hold these side by side here, you'll notice the difference in the wire order. So if you plugged this into a normal fan header, it wouldn't work. Because the only wire that's in the proper location, the only two wires, is the red one and the blue one, which is your sensor, and then your 5V. So you just gotta swap two wires, and then this will work in any computer. I have this here for reference. I don't do it very often, so it's good to see how it's supposed to go. But here's a standard 120mm fan, just a cheap Antec 3-speed. And here's the Foxconn that's found in Dell PCs. Look at the thickness difference in this monster. And I already have 3 of these in my new tower. I have one connected to the motherboard, and then 2 of them connected into a fan controller. Alright, so I'm going to take this little flathead screwdriver bit. Let's see. Yep, I just gotta swap the black with the yellow, and then this will plug in. Untwist it a little bit here. So if you want to do this, you have to press in on these little tabs here, if my camera will show it. You press in, and once you press those in, you can pull the wire out like that. But you gotta pop the little tab back up so it'll clip back in there. Pry it back up. And you'll hear a little click. Yep, it's back in there. It didn't click, but it's in there. Alright. Now I get this one. Pry the little thing back up. There we go. And there. Easy. And now this fan will work in any other computer. And to prove that this does work, I'll take you off the tripod here. There they are, right there. take the side panel off real quick. This is just a cheap Cooler Master case. There we go. I got one of them right there, connected into the board. Somewhere around here. Yep, it's right there. System fan 1. Plugged right into the board. All I did was swap the wires, and there's a little fan controller right there. But the one that I just swapped the wires on is going right there. That thing don't do anything. That came with this case. And the other two are up there. And these things crank. Crank them up. And they still move a ridiculous amount of air. So, if you don't want RGB and you want a solid fan to move a lot of air, these Foxconn fans will do the trick. We'll get a good look at that fan again. And you can still buy these fans. There's its information right there. All you gotta do is swap the black with the yellow. And then you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.